Hey guys, this is the tripod mount holder. Got this a few weeks ago. It's pretty self-explanatory. This moves up and down to fit your phone or your tablet. I've only used it with a phone so far. It is designed to go on a tripod. It's got the little hole there and you screw it on and it'll sit however you'd like. It has both vertically and horizontal. Obviously vertically is for like TikTok or Google Shorts, and then when it's mounted you can spin it as well, so it goes horizontally like this, and you can move it how you like. And there's a little lock screw right here. I just have one hand, so I'm trying to, and then you just twist it and you can position it however you like, up or down, and it moves around. So it goes in kind of all directions depending on the shot that you need. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. I've had it for a few weeks. This also is adjustable depending on your phone height, so that might be helpful depending on what kind of phone you have. Here is the front of the box. And that's about it. It's very light. If it's something you can use, check it out.